Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. So today I want to tell you about a 2D platformer game template which I plan to release in a few weeks. And also this channel's membership. The 2D platformer template is a platformer game which features 5 fully designed stages, which includes a boss battle, fixed coin and enemies mechanics, pause menu, the select stages menu, and also the player shoots fire. How cool is that? This and many more are available in the 2D platformer game template. I would show you a preview of the templates, but before that, you should consider joining our channel membership, as it is a great way to support this channel and help me create more tutorials. You can join our channel membership by clicking on the join button, which is located next to the subscribe button on YouTube. I know the YouTube channel membership is not available in all countries, so I created a Patreon account. So if you want to join and it's not available in your country, you can use our Patreon. I would leave a link in the description of this video, and I hope you join. The templates would be available to our Patreons and channel members. Okay, that's enough talking. Now let's have a quick preview of the game. So these are all the scenes available at the moment, and for this I would give a preview of the stage 1. So this is what it looks like in the editor. Now let's take a look at the preview. So this is what the game looks like. You can see our player right here, who comes into the stage with this. And with a little double jump, our player is able to cross the river. We also have a spring which our player can make use of. There we go. And we have gems that way. More gems. Perfect. Our player also slides with the use of S. So pressing S key on the keyboard makes our player slide. There we go. So player also has fire, which shoots out of his arms. There we go. And if we shoot this, as you can see, so there we go. And this is kind of your fire meter at the bottom of the screen here. So once you run out of fire, you have to wait. There we go. So that's what it looks like. I would create full videos of me playing the stages in the future, so that's all for this. So don't forget to join our channel membership and get a copy of this game, get the full source code and everything, so you can work with and create a stunning, amazing game. So there we go, and thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.